Have you ever been in a scenario where you're out with a group of friends and you're enjoying the night, and then it's time for the bill to come? Sawubona Mzansi. The calculator tile provides you two new tools for you to utilize. The first one is a simple calculator. The next tool added is a tip calculator. So the thought behind this new feature is, have you ever been in a scenario where you're out with a group of friends and you're enjoying the night, and then it's time for the bill to come? So you take the pen that they give you and start doing the calculation on what your tip should be for this bill, and also what the split should be amongst your different friends. Now, instead of doing that with the pen on the slip, you can now do it through MIH. Now let's see how the calculator tile works. When you log into MIH, you'll notice that there's a new package loaded onto MIH, and that's the calculator package. If we click on this, you'll see that there's two tools available for us to use. The first one is a simple calculator, and the second one is the tip calculator. But first, let's see how the simple calculator works. So this is for you to just do simple calculations on the fly. Now let's swipe over to the tip calculator. On the tip calculator, there's a few fields for you to capture before you can calculate anything. So the first thing that you'll have to enter in is the amount of the bill. So say, for example, the bill is 534 Rand and 27 cents. And for the tip, because our waiter or waitress did an excellent job, we're going to give 15%. And the next thing you'll have to answer is whether you're going to split the bill or not. If you're not going to split the bill, you can immediately click on calculate, and it will show you how much will the tip be and how much will the total bill be. But let's say we have to split this amongst a few friends. We can click on the drop down by split bill. We can click on yes. Then it will ask you the number of people you are splitting this bill by. So in my case, I want to split it amongst 5 people. I can then click calculate. So you'll see there's a new field in the calculation results that show you the total amount that each person will be paying. And that's what the tip calculator is all about. Leave a comment to let me know what you think of the changes to MIH, and let me know if you're having a good experience using MIH. Let's keep working hard, Mzansi.